It was good to be back at home, and I felt like our home court and our home court advantage, our crowd, helped us a little bit tonight. I thought defensively, particularly in the first half, we made it difficult for South Carolina. We dominated the boards. We shot 25%. And they only had 3 two-point baskets, so I thought our defense was terrific. The second half, to let them kind of get off to a good start and close the game down was disappointing. I had inserted Brian Williams in the starting lineup in the second half because I didn't feel that John Fields, now a couple games in a row, just hasn't played well, hasn't been doing anything out there, but logging minutes and not necessarily playing as well as he's capable of playing. Kenny Hall came in and did a nice job in the second half and helped us. It was good to see.